Hey guys, this is Dave with JoesGE and Electronics here with a Fitbit Versa 2 tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to install your battery along with your battery shield into the back housing of the unit. What you want to start off with is locating the microphone here in the back housing, and know that whatever side the battery ribbon comes out of the battery is going to be matching up with that side. Or what you can look for is there's these points here on the battery shield and platforms on the back housing which are white, and you could just match them up and set them right on those platforms, and it should just clip in really easy. Next thing you want to do is grab your 3 battery screws along with a small Phillips screwdriver and go ahead and start screwing them in. There are going to be 2 holes located on the bottom of the actual unit, the bottom of the back housing. So if you hold it this way, the 2 screws are going to be going into the bottom, and then there are 2 more holes here. You would want to use your last screw for the lower hole. This one up top here, that's triangle shaped, that is where the board is going to be getting screwed into with a T2 screw. And that's all there is to it. All the parts and tools that are used in this video are available on our website and are linked below. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, please comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.